Python's tuple data structure is immutable, meaning we cannot change the element of the tuples. Basically, a tuple is a sequence of values that are separated by keys and are enclosed in parentheses like this that you see that here in the IDE. So how can we create a tuple? Let me here create a tuple. It's going to be t1. Okay, t1 is equal to we use these round brackets, and here let's add that. Okay, for example, we have some element. Okay, let's go with numbers. Okay, so I will be adding 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So this is a tuple now. Okay, we created the tuple here. So if I just print here, okay, let me print this type of this t to see t1 actually, okay, to see what is this, okay, type of this, to check what is the type of this. You see it is a class of what? Class of tuple, okay. And what if I print itself? Let me just print it and see what are we going to have here. Okay, when I ran that, you see it is giving me all the elements, just like we were doing this with the list. Okay, so this is the tuple. Okay, tuple is also going to have more thing, okay, like the list that we're going to go through them, and you will learn them more and better. And also, let me just have this element like this. For example, I'm going to add its index. Okay, I'm going to select the first one and see that is it going to give me the first one or not. Yeah, it is giving me. And also, I'm going to say that start from 0 and go up to the 3. So let's run this and see what do we have here. Okay, it's giving me 1, 2, and 3. So like the other one, okay, we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. Like other, okay, the first one, it is included, and the last one, it is excluded, okay, it's not included. So it is how we can have a tuple, how we can create a tuple, and how we can access its element, okay.